Hello, my name is Alejandro. This is my project in English. I am from 1D and I am going to comparative America with Chivas. First of all, America is the best in the world and the GOAT don't make it. In the America has a 13 title offices and GOAT is a 25 titles officer in the Ligas Mexican. America has the best goalkeeper in the world and goats no Malagón best Raúl Angel Pechi. So very easy. In the Club America is a four-time champion. In the goats no. I'm sorry, goats. In the America had a national deputy in the ranks. This is a Cuauhtemoc Blanco, and Chivas only have a Chicharito. Don't cry. In the America, he had the best player in the world. This is El Chanfle, and goats solo they have a Chicharito. That's the best comparison in the world. That's my project. Thank you, Romero. Goodbye. My name is Alejandro 20.